Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign out of Exness account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Exness application. You can see over here, Exness application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the accounts interface. So if you want to sign out of your account, what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find several options like accounts, trade, insights, performance and profile. Simply tap on the profile option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to sign out, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for logout. Simply tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure? Tap on the option logout. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you sign out Exness account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.